So, welcome. Thank you for joining. This is our self care and service practice in the love, peace, and harmony field. Welcome, those who are joining on Zoom. And today we will be continuing. This is the last session of the month for our rest and restorative chapter in our stress prescription book. And so we will start with a check-in as usual, and we will talk more about deep rest and receiving the nourishment for our life, our own self-care, and our service. And we'll do a practice in the love, peace, and harmony field, and then talk about some next steps. So let's go ahead and check in. And so at this time, we are building our awareness of where we are. We can notice these gauges for ourselves at any moment. One is to notice how your thoughts are, how it has been during the past few days or week. And we want to notice it without judgment, okay, just like a curiosity. We also want to be mindful and aware of our emotions, how we're feeling in the moment, peaceful, happy, or a bit stressed, agitated. Whatever it is, just notice. We also can check in with our bodily symptoms and sensations. A lot of times our body gives us great messages that we sometimes can overlook. So allow yourself to notice. Are you feeling any pain or discomfort or tension, fatigue in certain areas of your body? Allowing yourself to be aware and mindful of the subtleties of your body. Lastly, actions and behaviors category. Just allow yourself to reflect on how your actions and behaviors have been. Again, without judgment, but with awareness, with kindness and compassion, knowing that many times, if it's not in the area that we are, or direction that we're happy or proud of, it may just be signaling that something's going on and we need to pay attention. And this is why this is an integral part of our self-care process. Just checking in with kindness, compassion, but honesty. You can also give yourself a number at this time as to where you might view yourself at this start of the session, and then check in at the end, noticing how things can shift when we pay attention, when we do a process or practice that can be restful and restorative for us. Okay? And welcome those who may be just joining. We're just doing our check-in. And today, we will be, again, focusing on these states of rest, right, that has been introduced. And we really want to get from not just the yellow mind to the green mind, but also talk about how you can prepare to get yourself more in that blue mind, that deep rest state. So we talk about why deep rest matters, right? It is more than taking a break. So when we experience safety and restoration, our nervous system shifts from survival to more healing. And the body can repair, replenish, renew, right? Produce healthier cells. And mental clarity, emotional balance, and resilience can improve, which then increases the quality of our life, which can also lead to quality of service. Okay, so relaxation reduces stress in the moment, but restoration signals safety to the nervous system, allowing the body to shift towards healing, recovery, and cellular renewal and regeneration. Okay, so we're learning more and we're practicing for deep rest. Okay, and some of the conditions that support restoration is a sense of safety, which is why usually at the start of our meditations, we go into that sanctuary and safety visualization, which we'll do again today to allow ourselves to get better and better at it. Again, slow, gentle breathing. We've talked about the breathing of exhalation being a couple seconds longer. That helps us with our nervous system to kind of slow down. And also letting go, consciously letting go of any kind of striving and doing. Sometimes we're very active. We want to make things happen. We want to take action. And that's all fine. It can lead to very productive things, and that is also needed. But there's time that we need to balance that with just letting go of all of that, letting our minds take a break from all that we need to do and accomplish, and just focus on letting our bodies and our minds quiet, go into the state of deep rest and restoration so we can heal, recover, rejuvenate, and more. And this may also involve ourselves, giving ourselves permission to receive support and nourishment. Sometimes we have guilt, or we may feel like, oh, we cannot, like, we judge ourselves for wanting rest or for taking a break. And allowing ourselves to shift this mindset that this is just as important as eating, as bathing, as doing many of our daily, hygiene practices, or like exercise or eating food, healthy food. It is actually part of our wellness and well-being. Okay. So you can take this time too. What helps me feel safe enough to truly rest? So this is something that you can think about as we're going through our activity later. And sometimes the most healing thing we can do is stop trying to fix, change, or accomplish, and to simply receive. So again, there's a time that we work and we are productive, and let's balance that with just letting go and really opening our heart to really receive. Okay. And next month, we're going to be going into another chapter. And so rest actually creates this space for joy, right? So deep rest is not the end of the journey. It prepares us for flourishing. When we are restored, we have more energy for what matters. We notice beauty and gratitude more easily. We might find joy and happiness arising more naturally. And we can serve others from this place of fullness and contentment rather than depletion. Okay, so restoration helps us start full so we can end full. Okay, so we're going to do a practice in our love, peace, and harmony field. And most of you here on our Zoom call are familiar with the field. But for those of you who may be joining us, are new or new to the love, peace, and harmony field, we believe that everything has its own vibratory field, and each of our vibrational fields are connected in the quantum field of the collective. Okay, so when we align with the vibrations and messages of love, peace, and harmony, we can not only uplift our lives, taking care of ourselves, but we can also support the uplifting of the world, which is a great service. So For today's session, by resting in the frequencies and qualities of love, peace, and harmony, we invite our soul, our heart, our mind, and body into a restorative, restful, deep, restful state that supports our healing, our transformation, our renewal, our well-being, to allow us to provide more quality service. So let's go ahead and get started. So let's have ourselves again. First of all, we're going to connect with this love, peace, and harmony field. For many of us who have been connecting regularly, hopefully this love, peace, and harmony field automatically triggers a sign of safety, a sign of going deeper into love, peace, and harmony. If not, allow yourself to create and visualize going deeper into your peaceful sanctuary. This is a safe space where you feel and your body feels unconditionally loved, protected, supported, where you can feel your body relaxing, your mind relaxing. There's no need for hypervigilance on anything or worrying about anything. We can let it go. We can dedicate this time, this space, to go deeper into rest mode, to go deeper into restoration. This is our time to have our bodies relax and restore. Just as exercise and movement is healthy for us, true rest and restoration is so valuable. We need the balance of letting our bodies relax, renew, allowing ourselves to connect that this is a time of healing, of restoration, where positive, healthy cells get a chance to develop, clearing out the negative information and other things that our bodies can produce. It's kind of this time that our bodies start to clean ourselves, the cells. So just allow your body to go deeper and deeper into rest. Imagine this light from the field from 360 degrees coming into the top of your head, relaxing all of your thoughts into love, peace, and harmony. Knowing that your body, your mind, your heart, your soul has the opportunity to relax and to just open up and receive. Imagine this pure, positive light carrying messages of unconditional love, peace, and harmony, just being absorbed through the pores of your skin, through each inhalation as we connect with the field. You may be imagining yourself in this beautiful space, whether it's in nature or a space that makes you feel safe, warm, comforted. Again, use the power of your visualization, your creative visualization, to help your body relax, to help your body and mind feel calm and safe. This is your time of rest and restoration. Letting yourself know that it is okay, it is good it is important for you to rest and restore, to let go of any concerns and worries, and just focus on opening up your soul, heart, mind, and body to receive this light, this positive messages, to nourish and nurture ourselves. Imagine that is happening right now. These positive, nourishing, and nurturing messages. Just like a baby who doesn't have any concerns, who is being well cared for, loved, protected, and supported. They're safe, they're secure. They can naturally go into deep, comforting space. They know all their needs are being taken care of. You too, allow your body to feel and know that you too are taken care of. You are truly loved, protected, and supported. Visualize this nourishment, this nourishing and nurturing qualities. You may notice where in your body may not be fully open to receiving or feeling disconnected from this message. And just allow the light of the field, the light of your own unconditional love and light and awareness to support that area in your body that can open further to receive. You may be starting in your heart space, your heart center, to bring in the light and the messages of love, peace, and harmony, the messages of nourishment and nourishing. Feel your body relaxing even more deeply as it just opens up to receive, to rest, to restore. Allowing yourself to know and appreciate the value of this experience. Just as, 30 minutes of exercise can be so valuable to our systems, this is our rest and restoration exercise to allow our mind to release anything it doesn't need, just focusing on the light, the gratitude, the knowingness that you are being nourished and nurtured in this time, and that you are safe, you're supported, you're protected. Feel that light, that message, that feeling, allowing each part of yourself to truly believe more and more deeply that you are unconditionally loved, protected, and supported by the universe. If you have spiritual fathers and mothers that you believe in, you can connect with their love and light, their protection and support, as well as that of the love, peace, and harmony fields that carries these positive, safe, restorative messages. You can breathe in, practice the breathing from before. Could be the 4, 6, 8 breathing, or just breathing in and exhaling 2 seconds longer. You can feel that light. You can breathe in, 2, 3, 4. You can hold that all and feeling that love and light. Exhaling, that love and light expands through your body as you exhale. 8 seconds. Begin inhaling the love, peace, and harmony message. Hold, feeling that light within your being. Exhale, love, peace, harmony expands throughout your body. Release. One more time. In, love, peace, harmony. Hold, feelings of safety expand. You are safe. Exhale, love, peace, harmony expands throughout your body, filling you with light. Good. Continue to feel the love and gratitude. You can continue to practice in the love, peace, and harmony field. I'll play a few moments of the song. The volume may be a bit loud in the beginning, so you may want to adjust the volume until I share that screen. So continue to just relax in the field. Love, peace, and harmony. Love, peace, and harmony. Continue to feel that messages of love, peace, and harmony. to continue to just breathe in these messages of love, peace, and harmony. Just notice how your body is feeling, letting yourself relax a bit more, feeling that message going deeper of rest, restoration. Imagine your body, feel your body feeling grateful and happy to you for taking this time to repair, to restore, to receive this nourishment and nourishing frequencies, vibration and light, the love, peace, and harmony field. And just check in again. Allow yourself to be aware. Some of you may be noticing the shifts. Just a few minutes in the love, peace, and harmony field, what it can do for you. And again, you can continue this on your own. And as we talk about the next steps, or have some sharing, let yourself still be in this relaxed, peaceful state, holding this space and this sense of comfort, of safety, security to stay with you a bit longer. Again, knowing that you're loved, protected, and supported. Loved, protected, and supported. Wonderful. And I'd love to hear or read how some of you are feeling or any insights that you've gotten. And while I'm waiting for maybe some sharing, okay, we have something. Amy said, thank you, Laurie. It was so nice to be in the field and feel so peaceful and calm after rushing around this morning. Wonderful. Thank you for sharing that. Yes, this is such a nice time to give yourself that balance of, being productive, doing things, and then coming to let your body take a break and relax and restore. And thank you, Brittany, for sharing some of the links on our Zoom chat we have. And we'll talk about that too. I'll show it also on our slides here, that for the next steps, you can continue your wellness journey. We talked about the stress prescription, 7 days to more joy and ease, which a lot of these sessions are inspired by. We also have the Love, Peace, and Harmony Foundation, which is a wonderful service organization that you can look into more. It also has the song that we were meditating to, as well as other resources. And one of the books that I've found out about is Why We Sleep by Matthew Walker. He talks about sleep and the importance of sleep based on some kind of research and how it affects our mood, our memory, and more. So that can be an interesting and valuable resource. And for the wellness journey, Brittany shared some of the links. So we do have the Love, Peace, and Harmony meditations and Tao wellness practices with my mother, Annette, that you can join live. She has the links to register and join live. We also have a few of her former practices on our YouTube channel. We don't have the current ones, but we do have some that were previously recorded. And we do have our free wellness evening with Tao Calligraphy on Thursdays. You can join live and register at our website. And if you need more support to get started in your wellness journey, some direction, some questions that you have, we are honored to connect with you. We have these complimentary 15-minute sessions, and you can get more information from our website as well, or contact us directly. And of course, please contact your healthcare providers if you need more assistance in any part of your self-care or wellness journey. Although I am a psychologist by profession, this does not replace psychological and mental health care or medical advice. This is just for your general information. And here is the link and the QR code for the Love, Peace, Harmony resource, the song that we played, the instrumental, and there's also more information about where you can donate or support the foundation if you are inspired by this type of service, which our Satori Family Wellness Center is happy to and honored to be a part of. And let me just see. Okay, good. So Brittany also posted a 50-minute complimentary session for new clients where you can register and connect with us there. And again, self-care, remember, self-care is service. We increase our self-care to increase the quality of our service. So thank you again, everyone, for being here. It was wonderful seeing you all. Thank you for joining. And there is also, if we'd love your feedback, so there is usually a feedback form that you can fill out, and that actually qualifies you to receive some wonderful services from Satori Family Wellness Center as a gift. So we encourage you, whether it's something that you like, that you want improved, or want us to bring in, we'd love to hear from you. So thank you, everyone. There we go. Brittany put that in the chat. So I do love sharing my goodbyes personally. So first of all, we're going to say goodbye to those who may be viewing us on our live stream. So that would be in Facebook. Thank you so much for joining, as well as it's going to be shown on our YouTube channel. Thank you for being with us.